Chat. How we all doing this morning? How's everybody doing this morning, man? W's in the chat. Yes, sir. How's everybody doing on this fine Thursday? Marco, wifey, and CF family. Good morning, afternoon here in the UK. Let's go, bro. Good morning from over in cold Canada. For any of my fellow North Americans, you guys are quite familiar with this, like, I don't even know what they call it. Like, I think it's like a polar vortex going on right now outside, where it's just really cold. Good evening from Nigeria. What's up, bro? What's happening, guys? So, yeah, we got a cold day right now, or cold couple days coming up over here in Canada. To give you guys perspective on actually how cold it is, check this out. All right, so listen to this, chat. And if you guys know Celsius, then you know what I'm talking about here. Friday night, minus 34. This is no joke. Minus 34. That's the coldest I think it's gonna get. It's Saturday night or Friday night, minus 34. Saturday, minus 24. Yeah, man. Basically what that means is it's really cold outside. W live session. Let's go, bro. Wifey in the building. Good morning, guys. Standard procedure. How's wifey doing this morning? I'm freezing here at minus 10. Russia's minus 35. Oh my god. Yeah, I seen these pictures of Russia. Let me make sure I'm I seen some pictures of Russia. You guys got like 10 feet of snow or something. I don't know, something ridiculous. And yeah, crazy times. Am I feeling more positive today? What do you mean positive? Am I a negative kind of guy? Oh shit. Oh shit. Just arrived to the live. Feels like a 120 situation. Welcome in, brother. Welcome in. It doesn't snow here, so I can't relate. Count your blessings. Snow is not one of them. Here in Bulgaria, it's 4 degrees. Oh, that's not bad at all. That's light work. That's light work. Mark, I know you took yesterday's long on NASDAQ. Chat. Oh my god, don't get me started on NASDAQ or on NQ. I'll show you what happened to me yesterday. I'll show you. Don't worry. Don't you worry, chat. One second, guys. I'm back. Sorry. Wifey doesn't want to be on camera this morning. I try to get her in here, but she doesn't want to be. We have to blame wifey for that. Where can I get your chat? All my links, all my socials are in the description below. But yeah. Wait, is New York Urban just happening or is it in 30 minutes? The stock open is in. What time is it? Stock open is in 22 minutes. 22 minutes until stock open. In South Africa, we got heat waves, bro. I am jealous. Yo, I just seen somebody saying I'm having the flu. Yo, listen. The flu is going around right now. For real, for real. Everybody I know has gotten sick at least once this winter. Holy shit. Ahid, I am good, bro. Thanks for asking. Marco, this is your first live this week, right? No, sir. I was on Tuesday. Monday was a bank holiday. Tuesday I was on. And now today I'm on. Good times. Are we going to get a setup today? I don't know, man. We're going to have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. Three degrees in Turkey. That's nice. Jan is very bad for our system. Marco, agree? It's just been a slow month. It's not because of January. For example, last January was good to me. So every month is different. Like one of my best trading months ever was in September. And then September last year was very bad for me. So listen, every month is different. That's why you show up every single day. You never know what the outcome's going to be. I'm not going to show up just because it's January and be like, it's going to be a shit month. No, because there's going to be some great trading days. Gold is bad this season. Well, let's think about why gold is not in ideal trading conditions right now. It's because we are at all-time highs. Man, backtest flu and coffee. Life is good. Hey, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. The flu isn't a great part, but hey, coffee and backtesting. I've been there. Today we have so much red folder news coming out. So we had some at 8:30. We have some at 10 a.m., which we'll keep an eye on. That's all I see, though. That's all I see. That's all I see. Not anymore. It's came down on gold. It's still considered all-time highs for me, bro. It's still considered all-time highs for me. Gold is fucking shit right now. Everyone is waiting for a huge drop to fill at least one gap. Yeah, I can only tell you the amount of people trying to short this thing, the amount of people trying to catch more longs. Like, man, they're putting themselves on such a back foot right now. It's such a disadvantage. Use omega-3 in the winter helps. Yes, sir. I saw on Twitter you took shorts yesterday. Yes, sir, Alina. I will. I'm going to be covering some funny things that occurred with me yesterday. Some funny things that occurred. Oh, look who it is. Why? But you guys, she's back in the office too. She's in the background like this in chat. Analysis Bitcoin. Bitcoin to 74K, chat. Listen, I've been saying this for a minute now. I remember when we were consolidating through the Christmas holidays, and I said I wanted BTC above, I think it was 97K. We swept 97K, and now we're on free fall mode. So, watching stream while baking cookies. Chat, you don't understand. Wifey's cookies are out of this world. Out of this world. Yes, I remember. Yes, sir. So listen, any crypto traders in here? Any crypto traders? I want BTC to 74K. I don't care. 74K, yes, please. Alrighty. What do you think, chat? We're gonna get into some charts here. What time is it? 9:13. So we got about 15 minutes till the open. All right, chat. Let's get into some charts here. 1 second. Screen. Here we go. Okay, so. All right, let's see. So, NQ. NQ, I feel like I put a bottom in, chat. I'm confident in that. So, Listen, we've gone bullish. Okay? We've gone bullish. Let's clear some of these lines away. We've gone bullish here. Now we're coming into some internal highs on the left-hand side here, chat. Some internal highs. Respecting them. Okay? Here. I want to see price below these lows. Ideally, after we take out the lows, we look for a continuation up. Okay? That's how I'm going to free mode NQ for today. Nice and simple. So we need a short, and then we're going to look for a long back up. I know a lot of you guys are gold traders in here, and yeah, ain't nothing has really changed, man. 5K soon? Well, I assume so. I mean, look at this thing, right? I wouldn't be surprised if 5K was soon. But I'm not trading it, so all the power to you. Godspeed. Godspeed if you guys are trading gold. Here, chat. Okay, Aussie. Oh man, I was screaming on these longs. Unfortunately, we never got in. We didn't have a chance to get involved in them, leaving all these lows intact. So I'm gonna have to let Aussie do its thing for now, and we're gonna have to wait for another setup to come along. I was posting this all over Discord and shit like that. I wanted to see price below these lows. As soon as price is below these lows, I wanted to be in these longs. But hey. That's trading. Can't catch them all. Can't catch them all. Sometimes there's just going to be moves that go without us. And we're going to have to just do this. Smile and wave. Smile and wave. Euro. So. Thursday has traded below Wednesday's low. Okay. And we're seeing a bullish reaction up right now. I think continuations are in play on Euro. And actually, to be honest with you, I was waiting for price to come below these lows last night. Didn't do that. So, hey, Euro might be in one of those spots where we might have to smile and wave again. Is basically what I'm trying to say here. All right, we might have to smile and wave again with Euro, just like we did with Aussie, and it was actually this low here. So I wanted to see price below, and we didn't. And you know what? This shit happens sometimes, chat. And if it happens on one pair, it's probably going to happen on the other dollar pairs, because it means we're building liquidity some way, shape, or form. So again, waiting. Gonna have to see what occurs. I am gonna remain bullish on Euro. The weekly candle is looking quite bullish as well still. After taking out these lows from the left hand side, we've moved bullish to the upside, and had two bullish days followed by a rangy kind of day. And I believe we spoke about this on Tuesday as well. Or actually, no, I was on call with my community yesterday, and I said yesterday is a no trading day. Wednesday, no trading day on Euro. Okay, I said let the low print and then trade the low when Thursday opens up, and that's exactly what happened. Spike the low. Now you're looking for longs back up. So unfortunately, like I said, no confirmation based entry yet. Yeah, nothing as of yet. So I'm gonna continue to wait on Euro. We'll wait and see. Pound chat. 1 second. Ooh. Oh. We trade below the lows here? We did not. Oh God. This thing ain't looking too pretty, bro. Yo, scratch pound, bro. I'm not even gonna try to make an analysis up on this bullshit. This thing looks like ass. This thing looks terrible, bro. Yeah, I don't know about pound dollar, guys. For everybody, anybody who's trading that, good luck. I don't know. It ain't for me right now. UJ. Yo, we've been talking about this for a minute, chat. Back down to these lows, bro. When is this gonna occur? Clean up this chart as much as possible here. Highs have now been taken. Okay, so it would be at most ideal to see UJ start breaking down from here. The problem is we're so bullish on like the higher time frames, like daily, weekly, the bigger perspective. So it doesn't have to short in order to continue long. It's just one of those ones. My best advice would be wait right now. We're at such a high point. If we are going to trade lower, look, we have liquidity resting here. We have liquidity resting at the lows. So you look for a setup on the way down. Boom. And you shorten here. Okay, so I would wait on UJ. I would wait. You need to add a gold counter to the stream. Whew. That would be a big counter. GJ. Same kind of scenario as UJ a bit, right? You see this? Lows intact. Bullish on the higher time frames. Like, I'm talking daily, weekly. So, like, the bigger perspective. And we're leaving lows intact, right? So, just because lows are intact down here, chat, and this is something a lot of people screw up. And it's like, this is like a written rule. All right? Listen, write this down maybe. Stop selling in bullish conditions. Stop buying in bearish conditions. So, what do I mean by that? Just because lows are intact here, all right, and there's liquidity resting here, does not mean we automatically just need to sell all the way down to it. No, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, because if we are bullish overall, price tends to leave lows intact. Okay, so same situation as UJ. If you guys do want to participate in sells on GJ, wait. Ready? That's my best advice right now. So, and this one sucks. This one really does suck because I'm dying to short this thing for a minute, but it leaves highs intact and sells off. It's been a frustrating one, bro. But hey, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, chat. January has been a frustrating one, to say the least. And you know what, chat? Listen, let's talk about NQ for a moment here. I didn't get to tell you guys what happened to me yet. Check this out. All right. So, I was in shorts, and I'll tell you guys exactly how I got in my shorts. So, yesterday, I saw the highs taken here. I'll show you guys. So, this was what I was doing on NQ yesterday. 10 a.m. opened up. Okay. Boom. We continue moving bullish. All right. And then 10:30, 10:45 candle. And then boom. 11 a.m. opened up. And I saw this. Okay. We've taken out highs on the left-hand side. Very important. Taking out highs on the left-hand side. Okay. After that, I noticed, timing-wise, look at this. Hourly high left here, so 10 a.m. high. 11 a.m. opened up and spiked it. Oops, wait. There it is. 11 a.m. took 10 a.m. high. So we traded above the hourly high, which is a very big confluence for me. Next 15-minute candle in, we showed another rejection. Well, all I did, chat, was I just took a candle closure entry. Now, couple things to talk about here. The way I took this entry is essentially I'm predicting the top. And the way I can do that is off of a very specific and strict time confluence. And that's what I got here. Okay. I'm not just taking candle closure entries at random tops and bottoms. No, there's a really specific time confluence I used here in order to take this entry. However, not my favorite entry still. I only had 3 micros running on this. And then it did this. And I wanted to see price all the way back down to the low. So we traded here. Chat. This is the curse. The curse of posting on Twitter. So we were looking like this yesterday, and look what I did. Look what I did. I posted it on Twitter. And I said, look, here's my position. If you guys can see that, there you go. I posted it on Twitter, and I said, I'm going to quote myself right here. I posted on Twitter and I said, yeah, send it to 0. Okay? I said, send it to 0. Okay? I said that, and then Mr. Trump started speaking, started talking, started doing this little conference of his. Okay? Okay? Wait. Yo. Look at this, chat. I cursed myself, bro. And you know, I even said this too. I was like, I only had 3 micros running, so at the most I was floating like 1,800. Hey, and it's still 1,800 bucks. Like, I'm not gonna say like it's nothing, but I was floating 1,800 bucks. I was like, you know what? This is just gonna be a TP or BE. Like, it is what it is. And then Trump comes in and just goes, ah, fuck your TP. We're going straight to BE. Right after I posted that on Twitter, chat, I just looked like an idiot and I was laughing. And then I posted this. Honestly, bro, like, all I could do was just like, I was just staring at my computer, bro. And I was just like, dude, you can't make this up. Oh my God, the curse. I don't know if any of you in here have ever done that. If you were in a trade and it's in profit and like you decide to post it on social media, or you send it to a friend, you post it wherever. As soon as you post it, the curse happens, chat. And boom, just like that. 1 candle, 2 candles. Goodbye profit. Honestly, bro, all you gotta do is just laugh. It was good. It was great for a laugh, chat. It was great for a laugh. It was great for a laugh, man. Oh, bro. Marco, anyway, do we have a confirmation on NQ right now? Listen, bro. Do you see me taking an entry as right now? Do you see me taking an entry on NQ right now? All right, chat. We got stock open in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay? 3 minutes and then boom. Marco, could you please check DJ? You talking about the fellow YM? Good old YM. You know what, chat? The delivery on YM, to be fair, is cleaner than NQ. Look at this. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Excuse me. I would say cleaner for sure. The way this long happened is what I'm trying to say. All right. But okay, for today for NQ chat, listen, I want to see price hold these highs. I need to see price hold these highs, chat. 25,765. Price needs to hold these highs for us. If price does hold these highs for us, then basically what that means is we can catch along, okay? So we need to see if stock opens up and goes boom, boom, we're good. Now, if stock opens up and does this, we're not good. All right, that's all I have to say. So we're gonna have to wait and see. Yo, Joe, for real. So you want set up to watch longs? Of course, yes, sir. I am. That I am. I want to see price. Look at this, chat. Remember, and I don't listen. Everybody has a different strategy. Okay, we all know this, and I scream this at you guys every single day I'm on stream. My strategy is I need to identify buyers in the market. And this right here is price action conditions that tell me buyers are in here. Okay, there's buyers in positions here. So I need to see buyers get taken out aka this move here, then we buy. Okay? So, if price does this, look, if price does this and goes long, am I taking this long? For the people that trade my system, my strategy at least, am I going to be taking this long? Am I going to be taking this, chat? You tell me. No. There you go. There you go. And you know what? If it goes without us, what do? Smile and wave. There we go. Okay, NQA is coming lower. Chat, so lock in here. The thing is, we don't have any area off the left-hand side that looks like we can take a direct entry, so we need to see a confirmation built for us. Here we go, chat. Okay, so this is what we wanted to see. Now we want to see price below the lows. Once price stabs out these lows, longs are active for us. They are active for us. Comprende? I'm locked in, but I know my setup is going to take at least 10 minutes to form. Joe, I agree, bro. It's very rarely if it's just going to be a spike and go. And if it is, I'm usually not in those. I'm not looking at the gold chart, bro. I'm not looking at the gold chart, man. It's at all-time highs. You ran. I'm not looking at the gold chart. All-time highs. No, thank you. No, thank you, but thank you. Oh. And what a big surprise. Wifey's back in chat trolling us right now. Check gold, please. Chat, is Wifey a part of the problem right now? If there's no LB, then it's a slow one. Yeah, Joe, I agree. 10 a.m. will be interesting because PC. Yes, sir. We do have news in 29 minutes. We'll see how price unfolds for us, chat. And whoa. Look at YM. YM flying. Let's see if Hannah is going to rage bait us today. I think she's already on rage bait mode today, chat. She's on rage bait mode today. Marco, you are my inspiration to push even harder. Let's go, man. Come on. Work hard. I believe in you. Called it. It's not really calling it. It was me saying I need a short to occur in order for me to long. That's it. A short didn't have to occur. It could have just blasted up. Realistically, the liquidity's at the highs, so. What is the line below? That's just a low from the left-hand side. That's it. Oh, you called the YM move. I see. Let's go, SMB. Let's go, bro. It's NQ E-mini, and US 100 index the same. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes and no. It's a different market, but yes. Can you explain the logic behind your candle closure? It just has to do with time. So I'll only ever take candle closure entries around hourly sweeps and 30-minute sometimes, but hourly is much stronger. So if we spike below like 11 a.m. or 10 a.m. spikes below 9 a.m. and I'm bullish, so it spikes below and gives a rejection, then I'll look for an entry back up. So in this situation, chat, since there is no LB to the left, and it's hard to take a blind entry, because if I'm taking a blind entry from the left, where am I going to put my stop loss? Like, this price action here doesn't tell me where I can put my stop whatsoever. Realistically, I could enter right here, chat, and this thing can go and then go long. Right? So you'd have to cover all of this. with a stop loss, and that's just, I'm not interested in that. So I need to wait for some sort of bottom to print out. Okay, and maybe that has to do with time. Maybe this is 10 a.m. I don't know, but we're gonna wait and see here, chat. What time frame am I on? You guys don't see this on the top left? Phase 1 passed because of you, sir. Thank you, Marco and Chart Fanatics. W for Roar. Let's go, Roar. Come on, bro. W's in the chat for Roar. Congratulations, man. All right, chat. Here we go. We're spiking through the lows now. It's good to see. What are these dollar pairs doing? Here we go, chat. Here we go. NQ is selling off. Spike below lows. Let's see. So we're going to have to see. We need to see some sort of bottom here print. Always grateful. Let's go, Roar. W, man. Congratulations. Good stuff. Still got all of these lows from the left hand side as well, chat, so this thing can come for all of this as well. Let's stay aware. Let's stay aware. Lows spiked out. Can you please check ES? Nah, as of right now, no, because I'm going to be looking for, I want to look for this move back up on NQ. So I'm going to be focused on NQ right now, chat. So lock in here for a moment. Let's see if we can catch something here on NQ. I got to make sure my copy trader's on. 1 second here, chat. 7-4. 1 sec. I got to have my screen for a sec, chat. I got to make sure everything's okay. Because I don't want to start taking trades in. Second. Sec, chat. Okay, we're all good. We all good. I can't start leaking information, or else I'm gonna wake up one day with all my accounts blown from somebody. Nicole, it's hard for me to accommodate for something like that. Everyone else can see it, right? So if I sit here and just continuously, I flip through time frames. I flip through time frames a lot. So if I'm just gonna go, now I'm on the 5 minute, now I'm on the 1 minute, now I'm on the, you know what I mean? Like, that's not really an easy task. You're just gonna have to work with me a bit here, and I'm sorry, but that's the reality here. What's hard about that? You're joking me, right? About me commentating what time frame I'm on every single time I change a time frame? What's hard about that? Okay, bye. Okay, goodbye, Nicole. What the f... Some people, bro. Take a deep breath sometimes, chat. Okay, chat. Price still forming, still kind of, I'm still convinced this isn't really a bottom yet. Even if it is, there's no entries really to take yet at all. I want to see price below the low again. Thanks, Marco, bro. I just cleared my 100K both phases. Thanks, respect from India. Yo, come on. Let's go. W's. Congratulations, man. Yeah, Chad, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Do not worry. We all good. We all good, man. Yeah, not convinced on the bottom yet, chat, so we'll wait and see here. I wanted to keep an eye on. This is moving. The Euro AUD is done, so Euro USD is moving without us right now. It'd be ideal to see this thing give us one entry, bro, on the way back up, because there's a great target on Euro, chat. Great target. 1.182. It's a great target, man. Hopefully we can, if we can get that, that'd be ideal. Yo, Marco, did I miss something important? Not yet, bro. Not yet. We're just focusing on NQ right now. I want to see if I can catch a continuation on this thing. We're looking for longs on NQ, but not yet. Not yet. Still waiting for something to cook up here. We need an entry. Chat, let's run up the likes. W. Braun. I agree. Let's run up the likes today, chat. The more likes we do, the better giveaways we can do. You know, you guys know the rules here. Marco, my brother, now I can clearly view how the market works. Thanks to you, bro. Love from Nepal. Let's go, man. Congratulations. And it's great to hear. All right, chat, we're getting a little bit of pullback here on NQ, which is good. I do want to see price below the low. That would be the most ideal scenario for me. DF on top. Let's go, Wonder. How we doing, bro? Thanks for hopping in. I've taken an 830 call at 2.6 points. Yeah, I believe that's options, right? Fucking nothing about options, bro. You talking to the wrong guy about calls and puts. Why do I wait for the low to be taken? Once we take this low, I understand sellers are induced here. And then we'll have another form of liquidity for me to have a confluence, basically, to target, right? But yeah, as of right now, chat, look. And this is where a lot of people kind of start FOMOing into entries, right? They see a spike of the lows, and immediately they're starting to long right now. Like, a lot of people are probably looking to long. Here you got your inverse fair value gap traders. They're in longs right now, so... I want to see price below the low. That's what I want to see. Please and thank you. Here we go. Price below the low. And remember these lows that we spoke about to the left-hand side. This is not impossible to take as well. So we'll mark them out. We'll see what it does there. Damn, look at that move on YM. And look at this, chat. Look at this. Not bad. Not bad. Pound continuing. Euro continuing. Aussie, I'm sure, is as well. You gold traders, there you go. There's your gold. When will the giveaway? Guys, we will be running giveaways later today. We always do. We always do. Giveaways will be done today, chat. Don't worry. I think the only way to get an entry for the giveaway is to like the stream. That's actually, Jan, now that you've mentioned that, I do need to remind the chat that we've integrated this new wonderful bot that actually only allows people that have liked the stream to do the giveaway. So if you haven't liked the stream, I'm sorry, but like the giveaway won't work for you. Thank you for reminding me, Jan. Yeah, I forgot to mention that to you guys. Marco, how would you enter that trade on NASDAQ? I'm not in a trade right now, bro. You guys will see if I'm in a trade. You'll see the entry on my screen. You'll see the entry on my screen. What do I think about Euro AUD longs? No, I don't think about anything about Euro AUD longs right now. Just pump the brakes right now, bro. This is a long-term short target for me on Euro AUD. Basically 1.7 flat. Flat. And Q still got business to the downside. No bottom is in yet, chat. This is, again, all the impatient traders. They're getting screwed around right now. All right, and these lows we spoke about, chat. There you go. This is the art of patience right now. These lows have gone as well. Why wait till 3 lows have been... And I'm not counting how many lows need to get taken. I'm just observing. Looking at price, that's all. So, we have taken out this... I'll view it as like a last liquidity low, in my opinion. Look, I wanted to see price below these lows, right? We spoke about that before. So, we've seen that. So, now, in my opinion, price doesn't really look like it needs to head any lower than we are heading right now. So, we could start bottoming out in this region here. It's possible, chat. It's possible. So let's wait and see. $15-minute candle just closed as well, so it's a brand new 15. Came into the lows. Yeah, we'll wait and see, chat. See if we can get a bottom start printing in and around this area. Bro, can you check CJ? Marco, do you think that 25,420 is the LB? No. 20. Like over here, I'm not sure. You know what we can even do, chat? Now I'm zoomed out a little bit as well. These lows would not be impossible. Why didn't we take that short? I don't know how I would be able to get in this short. What do you mean? Look at this. This is what I call an engineered liquidity move. I'm never in these. You guys, well, actually, I mean, listen, at the end of the day, you guys don't know exactly how I trade, right? So, but these moves I'm typically not in, which is fine. We've respected highs instead of taking out highs, right? When we respect highs, I'm usually not going to be entering these kind of positions. Mark, are there certain trades for you when you just couldn't explain why a trade didn't work? Guys, there's something you guys need to wrap your head around is there's no strategy out there that's ever going to be 100%. So when you guys take a loss, go back, review maybe if there was something you did wrong, a human error maybe. Maybe you mismarked something up. You had an error in your analysis. Fix up and move on, right? You can't dwell too much on the past. Focus on the future. You have to also understand that even the best traders in the world, they're still going to make mistakes in trading, right? Just not because of, oh, the analysis didn't work out. No, they could have had like an actual pure mistake in their analysis as well. No one's perfect. This thing called trading, it's a game of imperfection. So don't get too attached to those losses. Of course, you want to analyze it, see where you went wrong, of course, but move on. All right, we're getting a reaction off the low right now, chat. There's no type of like candle close I can really take right now, though. See what happens here. Let's see what happens. Guys, listen, I know there's so many people that want me to look at different assets, but man, just one step at a time, please. I'm focusing on NQ right now because I want to take a long on this thing, right? Imagine I go look at an asset I don't care about right now, and then I miss an entry on the asset I wanted to trade. That would do my head in. Need to accept that losses are inevitable in trading. Yes, sir. Losses are inevitable. So much liquidity on NQ to go up. There is a lot of liquidity on NQ for it to continue up. You have these internal highs for an added confluence as well. I am bullish on NQ right now. I do want to be buying this thing. However, I'm not just going to buy to buy. I need to see some sort of entry form for myself. We could get a little bit loose. And we'll see. We'll see what we can do here. We'll see what we can do here, chat. Marco, if more people learn your system, we're going to run out of money, run out of people to take money from. Doesn't work like that, bro. It's a funny perspective, though. I'll give you that. Place limits, chat. Listen, I have everything I trade is on my screen. You guys will see if I have any sort of limits. If you see I'm taking any sort of entry, don't worry. Ain't nothing hidden. It's all gonna be in front of your face, I promise. News in 6 minutes, yes sir. Alright, chat. I'm gonna, if we can get a spike below this low here, I'm gonna take, I'm gonna add a little bit. I can't go too crazy on this because this entry is not clean. Here we go. Alright, I'm in one entry here. My stop loss is gonna be tight, man. Essentially, I'm predicting a bottom right here. That's why you see me with low volume right now. I need to see reactions in this area. If this low doesn't hold, chat, I'm probably gonna sit tight until 10 a.m. The only reason I'm entering now before this news event at 10 a.m. as well is because we've had news at 8:30 as well. So I'm not too bothered to wait for this one to occur as well. I do need to see a reaction at the low. If not, we're gonna take this little L. Small risk. We got 3 micros. Now, here's an example of us being able to scale in. If we hold this low right now, we can look for an add on the way up. We need to see buyers built again. We need to wait for price to stab the buyers, and you can add entries like this. Okay, so that's a way that we can scale in to add more volume if this low holds. If the low doesn't hold, we'll take this. It's quite a minor loss, to be honest with you. What are we looking at? It's about $200 loss. $200 loss. What pair are you watching? This is NQ, bro. This is NQ. I am keen on these highs going today. So whether this is an early entry or not, it might be. Maybe we wait for 10 a.m. We'll see what 10 a.m. does. Maybe we see the continuation after 10 a.m. opens up. A couple different scenarios I can play out. I'm willing to put a little bit of risk on this trade right now, though. Yeah, we'll see, chat. We'll see. The thing is, like, you got to be aware of certain scenarios, and there's a couple things telling me there's still a little bit of downside potential. So that's why you don't see me sizing in. You got to be aware of these things, because like if you're just full sending and you're pedal to the metal all the time and you're not aware of these kind of things, then you're gonna take losses. I mean, unreasonable losses, size-wise. Quit yapping. Check gold. Oh God, chat. Chat, wifey's on pure rage bait mode today. Pure rage bait mode. Pure rage bait mode. Okay, we got news here in 15 seconds. I've never been slipped on futures. Is it possible? It's almost been a year of me trading futures. I've never been slipped. Is it possible? That wouldn't be ideal, chat. Here we go. And okay, we're out. Let's check if the slip did happen. No, it didn't happen. Okay, we're good. We lost what we planned to lose. Okay, so now 10 a.m. lows out, which is nice. Very ideal. Yeah, we only lost 200 bucks. Okay, cool. All right. One sec, chat. Let me stay on NQ for now. Okay, 4-hour low's gone. That's nice. That's really nice. I'm looking for that 10 a.m. reversal up. That would be ideal, chat. That would be ideal. Brother, losses are a part of the game, right? No. They're not. Losses is not a part of the game. If you are taking losses, there's something wrong. Of course there is, man. All right, come on, NQ, let's go. Print some sort of bottom here. And I want to see a rocket ship back up, chat. I want to see an absolute rocket ship back up. Lock in. I want to see a moonshot back up. All right, chat, come on. Come on, come on. Marco, brother man, brother man. What's good, bro? All right, come on. If these highs will be, oh man, this is a gorgeous long if these highs can go today. PhD. Oh, what is your educational background? Wifey said PhD. It's true. It's true. Still waiting, chat. We're still waiting. Everything is checked the boxes for me on this long. So, hey, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I've wanted to see everything that's happened. Why is that every time I watch you trade live, the market is always slow? Bro, that has been the summary of January. The summary of January so far. He has a PhD in checking gold. Yo. Guys, we might have to time the wife out of the chat. Is that possible? Is that possible? Euro continuing. Yes, sir. Euro is continuing. Pound going up. UJ down so far. PA has been trash, bro. I'm red this week, chat. So we'll see if we can flip this around. All it takes is one trade sometimes. Marco, does wifey let you stream with other female traders? This is awkward. This is awkward. All right, we're getting a little bit of rejection at the lows now, chat. Come on, NQ, give us something, bro. Let me ride this long back up. You took $200 from me. Now give it back times 10. Am I wrong, chat? Am I wrong? Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong right now. You won't do it. UJ's on a mission right now, chat. Is downside gonna be the target on UJ? Oof, it looks like it can be, man. Maybe continuations tomorrow. Hold the phone. It's possible. But one thing at a time. NQ, talk to me nicely. Hi, Marco. I buy NQ on yesterday at the low. Is this a good entry based on your system? Down here? I mean, hey. We've taken liquidity. You targeted liquidity. It looks good to me. That was before stock open. I'm not usually taking entries before stock open. All right, we're getting a rejection at the low still. Well, it's just nothing to take entries off yet, chat. Unless I was going to take a candle close entry, but bro. I hate doing that I hate taking like a low probable entry after taking a loss first. Now I'm in a difficult position. Marco, how do I identify early buyers and sellers? Chat, my best advice is for the new people in here. If you guys aren't aware, I have a 2-hour long video with Mr. Riz. Two-hour long video with Riz on Chart Fanatics channel. Go give it a watch. Lots of value in there. I talk everything and anything to do with how I trade. So if mods can put that link in channel, in chat. Listen, there you go. Listen, chat, I still believe in this move, man. You think because I've taken that first L, I'm shaking out? I don't give a shit. Let's go. NQ, hurry it up. It's 10:12 a.m. We got time. Gotta go, man. Marco, I'm missing the giveaway. Next time, Kurt. Next time. We do giveaways every single time I'm on stream, so you're not gonna... There's still a ton more to do in the future. Yeah, I guess we're consolidating right now. I mean, yo, chat, you ain't wrong. You ain't wrong, man. I mean, look. God damn. All right, we're getting this reaction right now. You know what we'll do, chat? And we're going to do it for the culture, okay? We're going to take a candle close entry if this 5-minute closes nicely with our stops below. And if we can catch that low of New York, we're laughing. If not, we might have to eat Cheerios for dinner tonight. So it's one or the other today, chat. We catch the low of New York, or we're eating Cheerios for dinner. Wifey's going to have to just accept that. It looks like we're not going to be taking an entry, though. Nah, don't be breaking any rules. I ain't breaking no rules. Don't worry. I have risk limits at the end of the day. So it'll stop me. If I need to stop trading, I stop trading. I'm going to be eating an ice cube sandwich? Yo, Mads. Huh? That's a big...
Nope.
For me. It's a big one. Best time to buy? Yeah, Chad. We'll see. We'll see. Listen. I'm not... I want to be in this long. But I'm also going to have to wait for a proper entry, bro. And that's life. What's that song? That's life. An ice cube sandwich is diabolical. I'm telling you guys right now. I've just looked into the future, and this long was very nice. Okay? I've looked into the future, and I saw that this long played out beautifully. So, take what you want from that. Take what you want from that. What are we waiting for? Listen, I'm waiting for an entry personally. I'm waiting for an entry personally. What are you guys waiting for? I'm not sure. Brother knows someone we don't. Yo, I got the call. Got 1 second. What's up? Buy this shit out of NQ. It's gonna fly? Alright. I got the call, chat. I got the call. We're waiting for that entry. Once it comes along, it's game over. Hopefully that is... Yo, yawn. Hopefully that isn't Trump on the phone, this guy said. Yeah, hopefully not. Trump literally went into my pockets yesterday and robbed me blind. You know, you want to know what I looked like yesterday, chat? Can you guys see Rocky here? That was me. That was me after Trump spoke yesterday. It was a tough one, bro. It was a battle out there. Time is it? 10:18. Definitely can come for the low once more. That's completely fine. Where's our TP in case? Bro, my TP is all the way back up here, man. I'm looking for the high of New York. In my opinion, New York hasn't seen its high yet. Dollar pairs still going long. You got UJ selling. Nothing crazy as of yet. You can see on the 15-minute here, chat. 15-minute highs taken. Could see 15-minute low taken. And then maybe the bullish move. But it's just too much to predict right now. There's not nothing clean yet, man. Nothing clean yet. Yo, Gabriel, bro. You can't be sending me these kind of messages. This guy goes, if an entry occurs, I only got 1% left on my eval. Should I just full port? Chat. Yo, that's not what we're doing here, bro. That's not what we're doing here. Risk management, man. Yo, that was funny, though. That was funny, though. Oh, man. Why does the delivery have to be like this after taking the lows out and having such a good target? Why can't you guys? Why can't NQ just do a nice 1-2 for me? You know what I mean? Why does it have to break my balls like this? Come on, bro. I believe in you, man. Don't do it, NQ. Don't do it. 15-minute closes in 9 minutes. Why does the delivery have to be like this, man? Why is it doing this? Why is it going heart rate monitor on me? Yo. The thing is, chat, I can feel it. I can feel it. The direction's there for me. Like, this is a clean setup for me. And I can feel the urge to just be in the position. But I have to fucking wait for an entry. A proper... What, is it going to be a smile and wave day, chat? Is it going to be really a smile and wave kind of day? If it is... Oh. Oh, God. Don't do it, man. Marco, how's your sciatic nerve? It's still a bitch, but it's getting better. It's been a pain in the ass, bro, but... Look at the Mag 7. I don't even know what the Mag 7 is, Tendra. Quick look at German 40. Nice entry forming. Yeah, this thing could go long, but I don't see an entry. You got some highs to target up here. NQ. NQ. Don't do it. Chat. Yo. Don't do it, man. Oh my God, man. It might be a smile and wave day for us, chat. Let's see. We got 7 minutes left on the 15-minute candle close. Shucks. Oh, dang nabbit. NQ is rage baiting harder than Hannah. Oh no. Chat. Fuck. I swear to God, bro. This is gonna be a tough one. Chat, I just need to see a build up of liquidity, bro. That's it. I just need to see buyers induce somehow. If we can build below this low, man. Or sorry, below that high, you take that long. I need to see an entry, man. And like I said, chat, look at this. We've gone pure barcode on me here. Pure barcode. Look, we take the 10 a.m. low. It's time to look for entries. Okay, this is what we're going to give you, Marco. This is the type of price action we're going to give you. What are you talking about, man? Mods, can you do your thing, please? $10:30 a.m. is also closing in. Mods. Yeah, they're definitely bots. Definitely bots. Chat, let's see if we're going to get rewarded for our patience today. Let's move on UJ brand for now. Oh my god, man. Damn. You got NQ respect in the low right now. Okay. This is some weird shit. You enjoy streaming, bro, even after taking a loss? What was that always your personality? Yo, at the beginning of streaming, man, yeah, it's hard. At the beginning, the first issue I had was literally just taking a trade. Not even on Chart Fanatics. Like I'd be live trading with my community and stuff, and yeah, it's difficult. You stream in front of eyes, you stream in front of an audience. It's another layer of pressure. So it's another thing to get used to. Over time, just like anything in life, literally just like anything in life, you get more used to it. That's it. You get more used to it. So yeah, was it hard at the beginning? Sure. Was it hard that, yeah, sometimes I take a loss and then you're like, fuck, I don't want to take another trade. It's another loss. I look like an idiot. Now I could give a shit, man. I'm here to make money. I'm here to perform, do well for myself. The streaming is just, it's another good thing, right? Like I'm able to provide value for you guys at the same time. That's awesome. With a little bit of entertainment, and then we run giveaways and stuff. We have fun together. But yeah, before I just cared too much. That was my issue. But hey, we chilling, bro. We chilling. A lot of people are saying ES. I haven't looked at ES. What's ES looking? ES looking like a long as well, chat. I have a lot of respect for anyone trading in front of so many people. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's I genuinely enjoy it though. Of course, there's also a layer of it actually keeps me incredibly accountable. Yeah, it's good. And also, I got you guys, man. I genuinely look forward to all my streams with you guys. It's always a good time. And I told you guys at the beginning of the year, there's gonna be periods throughout this year with you guys that I'm gonna go on losing streaks. I'm gonna have losing periods. There's gonna be times where I'm gonna be on big winning streaks. So we're gonna do it all together. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a cracking year. It's gonna be a solid 2026. All right, we got the 15 closing in a minute 40 here, chat. The last thing I want to do is take a 15-minute candle close entry, but like I'm not getting anything right now, man. Rip. Rip. What I can do is turn on this. Chat, we're gonna be running giveaways shortly. Don't worry. I got you guys. I just want to see if I can catch this NQ long, man. So let's sit tight. 30-minute closes here in less than a minute. Okay, so I'm looking for... It'd be ideal. It would be very ideal. It's not the most cleanest thing, but 30-minute closes up. And we're going to look for the next low of the next 30-minute candle, essentially, to ride this 10 a.m. continuation. So 30-minute will close. We need to try and catch that 30-minute low. And yeah. Where would the stop loss be? I'm going to cover the low. It's just, it's a tough one, bro. It's a tough one because I do not like this fucking price action here. I'm going to have to size down, chat, for sure. It is what it is. Unfortunate one, but hey, man. All right, 30 minutes closing up right now. We have a level of liquidity right here as well. Why? Because we've respected this high, right? The thing is, this could be an entry right now, but it's just not good. It's just no bueno. Yeah, it could be, man. Fuck. Not in anything, chat. You guys will see, of course, on my right-hand side if I'm in a trade. So I'm not in anything right now. Hold the phone. Hey, Marco. Good to see you. Good to see you as well, man. Thanks for hopping in. Appreciate you. Oh, NQ, NQ, NQ. Breaking hearts right now, bro. Breaking hearts. Classic. Euro's continuing. Pound is continuing. UJ selling. Brother, relax. You are forced into take a trade. Leave me be, bro. Come on, man. Why are you judging? I'm playing, man. I'm playing. Here's that 30-minute. If this 30-minute just printed it slow, then we might be in trouble here, chat. I got a weird feeling it's gonna fly. Oh man. Oh, Joe. Chat, look at that. Look at this price action we get. Oh, January. January. You funny month so far. My spidey senses. January feeling like rodeo. It's been a tough month, bro. It's been a game of survival for myself, at least. Hey, you never know though. Maybe February is gonna be the best month of my trading career. For God, no one knows this, right? Do you think it will break the low again before flying up? Listen, these lows are very sus, chat. I'm gonna be completely straight up. And that alone is like, it's not bueno for me. But the price action delivery overall has not been good for me. So I'm hoping if we can get a spike below this low, maybe we can add here. It's just, yeah, it might be absolutely chalked for us, chat. Might be absolutely chalked. Micro relax. Everybody go chat. Are you guys my Are you guys my accountability partner today or something? Yo, Dimitra, I don't know what you're asking me. Why do I need high and low taken? That's like a very, very broad question to answer. Can't even be mad, chat, if it does go without us, bro. I can't even be mad. Like, realistically speaking, like, even with hindsight here, if I was to enter a trade in this price action, I'm definitely going to be forcing things. Look at that. The next 30-minute candle opens up. There's that low, and it's going long. Oh. Here's the hourly. Everything's telling me bullish, bro. Everything's telling me bullish. Here's the 4-hour chat. It's not over until the buy targets have been hit. So we have multiple targets to the upside still. It ain't over yet, man. The lows are so ugly. Trust me. Trust me, trust me, trust me. This delivery has been poo-poo so far. Poo-poo. Oof, look at pound dollar, chat. Let me know if you guys know how to trade this price action, because I don't. God damn. Usually when I see this type of price action, I flip a coin long or short. Now, I'm definitely long, bro, but yeah, it's a tough one. A friend of mine just texted me. He goes, PA is all over the place. He ain't lying. He ain't lying. Here we go, chat. Look what we're repping today. You guys know the drill. Tradezilla, how are you? Hey, bro, have you been running lately? I have not been. I've been cross-training. So I'm not running, but I'm doing other forms of cardio right now to keep my cardio up, since I can't run right now. Well, I can't run yet. I'm doing well, Herman. How are you doing, bro? I'm doing well. Is she gonna go without us, chat? That's the real question here. Looks like it so far, man. Looks like it so far. RIP. What's cross training? There's a bunch of different cross training. You could do bike. You can do indoor bike. You can do elliptical. You can do the rowing machine. You can do the ski erg. There's lots of different types of cross training. My favorite type of cross training is elliptical, the one where you do this. But I don't use my arms. You guys probably know what an elliptical is. This thing right here. So I plant my ass on this. I don't know why all the pictures are also. There it is. That's my best friend right now. Hammer emoji on the chart. Wait, you want this thing to get hammered down? Where's the hammer? I don't want it to get hammered down. What am I doing? Damn, Chad, look at pound. Still moving. A 4-hour candle. RIP so far for us, chat. It's RIP so far, man. The sad thing is, look, I think we're almost already 50% of the way up. Look at that. Oh, God. We're already 50% of the way up off this sell-off that we had. Not Blanco again? Do we have a clown in chat? Describe PA for Jan in one word. Listen, for myself. It ain't over yet though, chat. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over. We have internal highs here. We have highs left up here. Did you get any trades on NQ yesterday? Here, you know what I can do? Actually, I'll show you guys something funny. Show you guys something funny. 1 second. We talked about it earlier. This was the trade I had yesterday. That's it. And it looked so good, right? Then it didn't. Because look. Daddy Trump came in. It looked so good and then until it didn't. It looked so good until it didn't. Joke's on us. Yes, sir, Gabriel, we do. Actually, we're in a chat together. Good friends of mine now. Very good friends of mine. It's not over yet, though, chat. It's not over. And I will stay on longer if I need to today. I don't care. I have meetings, but I have... 1 second. Let me check my calendar. I have meetings in the afternoon. Yeah, I'm chilling. I don't have any appointments till later on today. So I'll stay on the live longer if I need to. I don't care, man. I am winning big on EU this week. Long W. The narrative makes sense. Entry-wise has been tough for me, at least. Entry-wise has been tough for me. But narrative is there. I definitely agree. Daily low taking too. Like, look at the daily. This is clean stuff. I spoke about this earlier in the stream today. You wait for that low to print. You sweep it. You look for longs below. And we want to long that thing all the way back up until 1.182. 1.182, my man. Okay, so listen, chat. We have left lows here now. This is a difficult one, though. Hold the phone, because I might just have to fucking need to see what's the RRs looking like on these trades. Chat, you don't understand, man. The delivery here has screwed us up bad. Me too, I'm long on EU on the bottom. Listen, guys, chat, if you guys are long EU, I'll tell you what I would do. I would hold, trust this analysis. This is it's a very, very high chance you're going to see these highs go. Very high chance. These highs go, and eventually I think it's going to even continue running bullish to highs on the left-hand side from a longer perspective. That's why I've been waiting for entries on this thing. It's just, like last night, I wanted to see a run below these lows. Didn't get it. Guys, this indicator on my chart right now is just a private one. It's not a public indicator. It's nothing special either. It's just daily highs, lows, 4-hour highs, lows. Nothing too special. Muhammad, chill, please, bro. Chill, please, Muhammad. No need to spam at me. Chill out, man. Yes, I'll hold. There you go, bro. I believe in you, man. I believe in you. What's YN end up doing today? So we tagged the high, sold off, little pullback. We're having a continuation right now. These highs look inevitable sooner or later. About 1 hour candle so far, chat. Would you refer to take an entry on anytime it comes? Anytime it comes? What do you mean by that? You still need to wait for like a setup to form. Right? So I'll give you an example. Okay, so I need to see buyer liquidity, and the only buyer liquidity I can see right now, bro, is all the way back down here. So I would need to wait. I can see here we've created an LB of some sort. So maybe you can see price do something like this. Come down, take him out, and maybe you can see a long back up from here. That's just pure speculation, though. It's just an example of what you would want to see. Shit. Just look to the chat and saw spam. Patience will pay off today. I believe in it. I really do. All right, we're getting a move right now. Coming for these lows. I'm bullish on NQ, chat. I'm going to remain bullish on NQ. I want to see price back up. I don't think we printed the high of New York yet. I'll keep saying that. I don't believe we have printed the high of New York. I entered, Marco. Godspeed. I'm not in yet. I wish I was. Well, I mean, I wish the delivery was better, so I was. Because the direction's there for me. The delivery has not been there for me. Love your content, bros. NQ your favorite pair? NQ is probably my favorite asset to trade in futures. Yes. NQ is probably my favorite asset to trade in futures. I'm blowing on my screen. Time-wise, we got another 9 minutes until the hourly candle closes here. So let's see. Chat, you know what would be good? We close up, we get a spike below here, bro. $25,572. My favorite on FX? Oof. Oh man. I don't know, man. I don't know. Like, I love trading gold. Gold is one of my favorite assets to trade on both markets. If I had to choose just like a specific forex pair, like an actual currency pair, probably choose euro. I'd probably go with euro. I've done very well with the euro in the past. Like when I was just a forex trader, I wasn't trading futures. Euro was basically the only pair I was looking at, actually. So it is probably one of my favorite. You are really into traps first. You are really into traps occurring first before going into the intended direction. Yes, sir. That is literally my edge. You've defined my edge in one sentence. So if there's no traps occurring, Marco not trading. So that right there, it requires a lot of patience. It requires a lot of patience. Thanks, Marco, for your effort and the quality you delivered to us today. Of course. I'm always going to try my best, man. How many pairs you trade when trading FX only? This is all the assets I trade on FX, chat. Gold, Aussie, Euro, Pound, UJ, GJ, EA. Guys, do you see Wifey? Is she alive? By Spidey sense? Joe, what are your Spidey senses telling you, bro? What are your Spidey senses telling you? Marco, have you ever tried adding combine volume into your plan? I have not. I have not. I'm actually a little interested in like order flow a bit. I don't know. Maybe it's something I tap into this year for entries. Because I love my system. I love my strategy. If I could refine my entry a little bit, I don't know. We'll see. The thing I like about order flow as well, and I've spoken to some other guys that trade it, it doesn't change your strategy. It's just another confirmation like into your entry. So I wouldn't have to change a thing. It's my system, like the foundation of my system. My Spidey sense, they're cooked right now. Sorry, bro. All right, low's taken again, chat. Let's see. This thing can go long literally right now, man. Come on, just deliver us something. We're creating an LB right now. This is good. We're creating an LB. So I just need to see buyer liquidity, trap them, we enter. That's it. That's all I need to see. Wifey's in here. Let's go. Wifey is in here. W Wifey. Always hanging out in chat. Hannah's gonna ask you to check the gold entry. She better not. She better not, chat. She better not, man. Where's the LB? We're creating one right now, man. We're creating some sort of LB right now. Order flow like Fabio Valentini? I believe the thing is, I'm so confused when it comes to volume and order flow and shit like that. There's so many different like programs some people use. I don't know. I gotta familiarize myself with it because there's so many different. There's like footprint charts. There's, I don't even know. The DOM, I think, or the DOM is specifically for volume, I think. I don't even know, bro. I'm so lost when it comes to that stuff because I don't trade it. Mark on my head out, brother. W stream as always. God bless. Thanks, Mr. Wonder. I appreciate you, bro. I'll see you back in here next week, man. Much love always. Much love always. What print is the best? Huh? What you do on the weekends, man? I spend time with the family. I work, go to the gym, run. Not running right now because of my injury. But I'm keeping myself busy as much as possible. Always. Always, always, always. Might cook up some noodles while staring at this crosswalk, PA. Yo, Mads, you're on fire today. What's your favorite pasta type? Great question. Great question. Honestly, I'm gonna go so basic and say penne. Penne is my favorite pasta. I already know wifey's favorite pasta. This is my favorite, chat. Boom. Give me a little bit of penne and I'm good. Right there. You want to know wife's favorite? I'll show you. This is wifey's favorite. Linguine. That's wifey's favorite. I already know. I know her too well, chat. I know her too well. Did she say penne thumbs down? Why is she disrespecting me like that? That's spaghetti. Spaghetti and linguine are very similar. How to identify that who were induced? Logish. That's a very like basic question when it comes to my system. I recommend you watching my Chart Fanatics video. If the mods can put the link in chat. Watch this 2-hour video and you will understand. Put the work in, put the time in, study it, and you will understand, my brother. Keep watching that video. I'm listening to my runs. Yo, attaboy, you're running. I like that. I love that. I love that. What is the meaning of Da Vinci? Is it an Italian word? Yo. Leonardo da Vinci was an Italian high Renaissance polymath celebrated as a painter, aka he did the Mona Lisa, the Last Supper. So here are some of Mr. Look at how handsome this dude is. What a good-looking fellow. Look at this guy, chat. That's Mr. Da Vinci. That's who I named this specific model after. What an honor it must be. What an honor it must be. Chat, instead of asking me Every single time there's a bearish move and saying, why didn't you enter there, Marco? Why didn't you enter there, Marco? Just wait, please. Hold the phone, chat. Okay, I'll enter when I can enter. I can promise you that. Trust me, I want to be in this move. What pickup line did I use to pull Hannah? That's what I did, chat. That's what I did. Nah, man. Marco-licious? Yo, chat. What the hell?
Nope.
Marco, combine your model with order flow and it's been pretty good so far. It helped me pass 3 evals last month. No reset, no rebill. Not a payout yet, though. Let's go, Tendra. That's a W, though. Progress. Bro mogged her, apparently. Haha, blushing? Chat, am I blushing? Am I blushing? The algo breaker. What's good, Nuno? What's good, Nuno? All right, chat. We got a new hourly candle now. And what are we looking like right now? This is what we're looking like currently. Let me clear some of this fucking shit, man. Getting a little bit clouded. We waiting still, chat. Come on, bro. I learned a lot from your inter-equity trading channel. Thank you, Marco. Let's go. Go HST. That gives me anxiety. HST. I don't like paying HST. That's a tax over here. Read the wifey comment. LOL, he said he was looking for a mom for his dog and a wife too. Yo, chat. She's not wrong. She's not wrong. Basically, what I did was I was like, yo, I'm looking for a stepmom for my dog and maybe a wife too. That's what I said, bro. That's what I said. I said I'm looking for a stepmom and maybe a wife too. What do we think, chat? Is that W Riz? Let me know. Let me know in chat. Is that W Riz? You gotta let me know here. Absolutely. Come on, bro. Stop playing with me. Yeah, I'm telling you, Chad, this patience is going to pay off for us. Just believe in me. Hold the phone, bro. YMQ not moving like yesterday? Man, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Marco, my favorite song. I don't have a favorite song, to be honest with you, chat. What kind of music do you guys listen to? Do you guys listen to rap? Do you guys listen to R&B, hip hop, rock, country? What do you guys listen to, chat? I'm more of like a folk and acoustic kind of guy. Hi, man. How's it going? Nice to see you live. What's up, Mr. Wick? How we doing, bro? Instrumental only. Country. House music. House mixes. Oldies. I love that. Have you listened to Stereo Hearts? I don't know. I'm not sure. Punk. I listen to Trump. God bless you. That's an interesting one. Majorca hits. Vocal deep house music. Yo, house music hits when you're like in the when you're working, you're like in flow state. Indian songs. W for Indian songs. Little of everything. Yeah, I'm more of like an acoustic, folk and acoustic kind of guy, chat. I don't know, is anybody else falling asleep with NQ right now? I wanted to stay on this as long as possible, but man. Okay, you know what we'll do, chat? Kill some time here. We're going to run our giveaways. We're going to run our giveaways here. Or we're going to start our giveaways. The entries to the giveaways. 1 second. Let me talk to Mr. Anthony and see the deal for today. We're going to run today's giveaway, okay? So I know all the guys in here that come and say, Marco, when's giveaway? Marco, when's giveaway? Giveaways right now, okay? So lock in. If you miss an entry, it's not my fault. All right, so 1 second. 1 second. I'm going to write the word down on my chart. You guys know the drill. I'm going to write the word down that we're going to use for entry. Okay, and then you guys are going to go and type the word in once, okay? Only once. If you type it more than once, you're going to get timed out. Oh my God, what a surprise. You're going to get timed out and then you're not going to be in the giveaway anymore. All right. Today's giveaway entry is going to be exclamation mark wifey in chat. Exclamation mark wifey in chat. And everybody listen up. Today we're going to be giving away Apex, Funded Next, Alpha Capital. Apex, Funded Next, Alpha Capital. All right, chat. Apex, Funded Next, and Alpha Capital. I'll give you guys 30 seconds here to enter. I've already seen someone type the word in 3 times, so I already know who to look out for. Limmy Young Keat. Thank you for typing it 3 times. Thank you for typing it 4 times, because you won't be winning now. I'm going to give you guys a little bit longer here. All right, guys. I'm gonna close it down. And no more entries. No more entries. No more entries. No more entries, chat. All finished. Finut. Finut. All right, perfect. Let me get rid of this. No more entries. I'm gonna wait for Boss Man Anthony to send me the list. Here we go. This guy's quick. This guy is quick, chat. Go, chat. 1 second. Here we go. Here we go. All right, everybody can see screen, hopefully. First giveaway. Yo, first giveaway is gonna be for a free Apex account. So lock in, chat. Here we go. Lock in. Here we go. Here we go. Excuse me. Free giveaway for Apex account goes to Gabriel. W Gabriel in chat. W Gabriel in chat. Let's go, bro. Congratulations. You have won yourself a free Apex account. Show me a sign of life. Show me a sign of life. Let me know you're all well in chat. Gabriel. There you are. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Please, guys, follow the instructions in chat to claim your giveaway. Next winner is going to be for a... 1 second. Funded Next. Funded Next account. Chat, lock in. Here we go. The winner is... One Simus. One Simus? I think I got that. One Simus 27. W. W1 Simus 27. Let's go, bro. Congratulations. Free account with funded next. Where are you at? Where are you at? What did I win? Gabriel, you won an Apex account. Please scroll up. Guys, listen. Please follow the instructions in chat. If you don't, you won't claim your account. There you are, One Simus. Congratulations, bro. You got a free funded next account. Last one is going to be for Alpha Capital, chat. Lock in. Here we go. Lock in, chat. Here we go. Here we go. This is for Alpha Capital. The winner is Naeem Sheikh. Naeem Sheikh, congratulations. We'd love to see it. Absolutely love to see it. Congratulations. Show me a sign of life. Where are you at in chat? There you are. Let's go. Congratulations, bro. Please, guys, again, follow instructions in chat. Please, please, please. If you do not follow instructions, you won't claim your account, your free account. W, guys. Good stuff. All right. This is awkward. It's awkward, bro. All right, chat. You know what, man? We're going to shut her down, bro. We're going to shut her down, man. $200 loss on... And to be honest, completely, I'm always going to be transparent with the family. Always. Always, always, always. It is a... 1 second. Let me show you guys. Show you guys what we're dealing with. Here we are. So we're going to have to eat this one. It's a small loss, bro. It's 600 bucks. Come on, we can't be upset about that. $600 loss. But yeah, that's trading, bro. I mean, look, we wanted NQ long. It's going long right now. I mean, we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. It is what it is. This is the life of trading. Sometimes I wanted price higher. It very well can go higher, but there hasn't been something clean for me. And fuck, it is what it is. My friends and family. Nonetheless. Great stream. I love you guys. Thank you so much for hopping in with me today. Banger stream. Unfortunately, I won't see you all until Monday. So, with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. An even better weekend. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys back here on Monday, all right? So, you guys know the drill. Trade safe, be safe, all the best. We'll talk soon, guys. Take it easy.